does button do? It's recording. Oh. YouTube video.
You're taking the video?
Yes. I don't know what else to film.
Where are you going to put it?
I don't know. Little redhead boy.
First time I came to this.
Explain, Jesse.
You should explain, not me.
You?
You.
You're gonna come out on YouTube whether you like it or not.
Oh, you're recording?
Yes.
For YouTube.
Oh wow. Don't look at me. This is my first time also. I'm just kidding. I live here. You'll see me like just entering the zoo. I'm there. That's my family, y'all.
So gorgeous.
Yeah.
Jesse.
Can we leave?
No, we can't.
She's not. Can we leave?
Please excuse.
It says please excuse our mess. It doesn't say it's closed. She's all mad. You see, you got my sister mad.
Oh, that mess. Okay, I get it. I get it now. That was right there. And that mess right there.
Right here. Look.
What did the sign say, Josie?
I don't remember.
What did it say?
Please.
What did it say? I'm kidding.
Not